Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS Touch Screen special Android Plays 0 Oreo system for Toyota CHR 2016 to 2019 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. Let me introduce to review. Firstly, let me introduce harness, this canvas box for Toyota CHR. And there are for harness this connector, this radio antenna, and this for original camera, and this is also original camera, and this power button and the speaker connector. I already this will come with the head unit in the package. Okay, let me introduce. You can choose time. You can choose logo Belsee. You also can change it in the settings. You can check Belsee. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose Belsee or choose Toyota. Toyota logo. When you back, it shows the Toyota logo. Let me back our Belsee logo. Okay. Let me show the apps. You can check all apps are here. It's built in Google Play Store. You can download all applications from Google Play Store, and it's built in Google Maps. Let me check the settings. System. About machine, you can check model is PX5, Octa core, RAM 4GB. Engine version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, let me back. Okay. You also can change this button's color. Theme editor. When you back, its color you can be changed with gray, blue, and any color you can change. Let me choose red, and you also can change this button color in the settings. Car element, you can choose gray, red, orange, any color you can adjust. Okay, let me back the home. Okay, first let me introduce internet. Let me connect SSR. Okay, let me back the home. Open the internet. Okay, it supports the Google Voice command. This volume control. Let me try. What's time in China? New York. We try again. New York. Moscow. Okay, we'll search Moscow. The Google service can't work our country. We need to connect SSR to make it work. Okay. Let me put our website belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website belsee.com. Because this SSR, I think, caused the problems slow. Because if you visit our website in your country, it will be much faster. Okay, let me check other. You can set the long press. It will set the navigation. You can choose the apps. You can choose Google Maps. New York. It will search New York City automatically. Let me reconnect SSR because our country doesn't work Google service. Okay, let me try others. This is two USB cable on back of head unit. This USB driver, when you connect it with USB driver, it will play music automatically. This pass USB 3. It's running Google Navigation and music at the same time. It supports dual screen. Okay. Let me introduce the video. You can check video disabled while driving for safety. So you need to set into in the settings. Find the settings, car setting, find the driver setting, turn on the watch video, and play music, play video from USB 3. It's supposed 4K, send some 4K demo of the world. Okay. Let me introduce the Bluetooth. It's pin number 40. This is my phone Galaxy S8. Let me turn on my phone. Please enable Bluetooth at first from your phone. Okay, click search button. Okay, search the Galaxy S8 Plus and choose it, pair it. You will get command from phone, please put 40. Okay, it's changed. You can check allow access to contacts listing. If you click allow it, it will download the contacts listing. We are here. You can click this button. If you deny, it will doesn't show it. Okay, you can make a phone call. Bluetooth. Okay, you can hang up. Okay, you also can stream music from the phone. The first time, please disconnect Bluetooth and reconnect it, repair it again. Click pair button. Open the Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, connected. Okay, you can listen to music from your phone. Volume control from your phone. Okay, this is stream music from your phone. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.